you're on WordPress, and I know one thing that you specifically mentioned was before you didn't have access to the customize tool and the statistics. It wasn't all integrated. Are there any other notable differences from the what I would call out-of-the-box WordPress, which is what you had there, and our newspaper customized version of WordPress?
Oh, there's so many different tools. I mean, the toolbox is huge, and for us being able to take control, and if we need to add a menu item, we can now add a menu item. Before that, with our developer, even though it was a WordPress site, we didn't have any of that control. And having some of that control now to make changes as we need them, and we can do them in-house, is huge for us. It eliminates having to send an email to somebody else and then sitting and waiting for somebody else to finally get to it. And then when they do get to it and it's done and it's not done the way you kind of envisioned it, then you got to go back and say, okay, we need this made smaller, we need this moved over. But having that control to be able to move things around and add things or subtract things is huge. I mean, we can do everything here. As opposed to waiting for somebody else to do it. And I'll just expand on that. If there's something that we don't know how to do with the knowledge base being right online, everything's covered in there. Everything, that is kind of common. There might be something specialized that we're not sure about and it's not in the database, but then we just email ops and either Terry or Jack or somebody gets back to us right away and either explains how to do it or they just do it.
Right. Yeah, the knowledge base is huge. We are always updating that. So do you find that it was pretty easy to navigate and get your questions answered through there, the common ones, as you said?
For the base tools that are supplied. I mean, there's a few customizations that we have that might be different from somebody else. But in those cases, we already know what to do with them. We've already been trained in that area of it. Having the knowledge base right there online available like right now is big, because we can go there first, and if we still can't figure something out, then we'll drop Terry or Jack or whoever in ops a quick email and say, listen, we looked through the knowledge base, we can't figure this out. Can you lend us a hand? Right. So that's big for us, because I don't like asking for help if we don't need it.